Hey guys, I'm here to do a look using the new palette I received from the BoxyCharm. It's from Alamar Cosmetics. It looks like this. So let's see what I come up using this palette. It looks really pretty, so I'm excited. Since I am going out and I'm more of a neutral kind of girl, I'm gonna see if I can do a neutral color, a neutral look with a pop of color. So I already did my foundation. I primed my lids and I set them with just a powder. So let's grab a blending brush to start on the transition. This is it came on one of the BoxyCharms boxes, and this is BoxyCharm Blend Beauty L34. I love this brush. So the first color I'm gonna take is this color, the orangey color. It's called Cocoa Taxi. Grab some, tap off, and slowly start blending it up. I just want a light wash of color for this one since it's going to be more of a transitioning color. So blend it up towards the brow bone. That way it peeks out once we add different colors. I do wish this palette had a mirror though. It makes it easier. Ugh. Blend. I've noticed that if you blend your transition color up, it lifts up your eyes or your lid. Blend, circular motions. Okay, that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna take the color Cafecito, which is this brown color, and I'm gonna use a more flat brush, so just to stamp the color where I want it. Oh wow, oh that's pigmented. Now grab the blending brush and blend. Okay, so keep building the color with this brush until you get the desired darkness. So place it and then blend it. And you can see they don't have a lot of fallout. Look, I just tapped and really no fallout. To be this pigmented, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe down my brush, grab a little more of this orange color, the Cocoa Taxi, and blend them together. And softly, the higher you hold your brush, the softer the blending's gonna be. And you don't put so much pressure on your eye. just blend back and forth. Okay, so I do want to try, let's see, this Guantanamera color. Looks really pretty. So I'm gonna wipe down that other brush, the flat one. Grab a little bit and put it right next to the brown I did. Oh wow. Tap off. And right here. Oh, that looks pretty. And then blend it side to side so it'll mirror with the brown. Blend.
That's how it looks so far. Pretty blended. Okay, now for the main eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna use...
With this brush, it's flat. I'm gonna use La Costa, which is this one. It's a light champagne color. I'm gonna put it on my brush and wet it. Grab your blending brush and blend back and forth. You can grab a little bit of that, what is it, Guantanamera color, just a tiny bit to put there and tap to blend them.
So now they're blended.
Okay, and that's how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye, and then I'll come back and see what color we put underneath the lash line. So okay, I'll be back. So now I did the other eye to match this eye, and we're gonna do the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in and use first I'm gonna start with Tropico. See how it goes from there. So put it on the lower lash line. And I'm using a crown pencil brush, C513. And again, all these brushes that I've been using have come with the BoxyCharm subscription. So it's a great way to start building your brush and palettes because they send a lot of good palettes. Okay, so that's that. I want mine a little more blown out in the bottom. So I'm gonna grab a fluffier brush, grab Cocoa Taxi. And this is a Sigma. It doesn't have the number anymore. It's an old Sigma one. And just blend it. Good. I'm gonna grab Cafecito and put it on the outer corner. I'm gonna use the eyeliner I got, even though it doesn't match, but it's gonna darken up the lower lash line. And just to try it out. It did add color. And for eyeliner, I'm gonna use my favorite liquid eyeliner from Physicians Formula. It's so easy to apply. It's a pen.
So you just draw it on. Super easy. If you struggle with eyeliner, I really recommend this one. And I also use it in the wiggle it on my waterline to darken up. Do the same over here.
Pretty good. And my all-time favorite mascara is the Essence Princess Lash. I'm gonna try the liquid lipstick that came on the box. It's by Ofra in the color Verona. I don't know if you can see. And there it is. Very pretty color for everyday use. Now we're gonna highlight to finish off my face. I'm gonna be setting my whole makeup with this Wet n Wild Natural Finish. Okay, so grab. This is my all-time favorite highlighter. It's the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, and the color Be My Highlight. And we're gonna use one of the brushes that came on the kit, the Luxie Tapered Highlighter Brush. So grab some. You guys, this highlighter is everything. It's so natural for everyday use. You can intensify it by wetting it, but for everyday it's just perfect. I like more of the natural highlights, not the blinged out ones. Let's see. And because it's so light, you can always build it up, but it never looks like too much. And because I forgot my blush, we're gonna grab a color from this palette and use it as a blush, just a little bit. What color? I'm gonna use a mixture of these two. I'm gonna use the dual fiber powder brush that came on the set. Grab a little bit of this and a little bit of this one. Tap them all. And because it's so feathery out, it's not gonna put a lot of color. That's pretty. And like you saw, I build it up. So now that the color's there, I'll grab my powder brush and blend. There. So now I use this as a blush too, if you like those colors. Blend it with a highlight. And that is it. That is the whole look using the Alamar palette. The lips. Very nice palette. As you can see, I used it for my blush. I used it for the eyeshadows. If you're more of a neutral kind of girl like me, you can do neutral colors. If you like pop of colors, you can do that too. You can also do bright colors because the colors are really beautiful on that palette. But thank you guys for watching. Till next time, bye.